One of the most effective ways of reducing microaggressions is to prevent them from happening in the first place. Prevention means being proactive and developing a sense of personal reflection. Let's look at our responsibilities, as well as what a company can do to set up a workplace that protects itself from microaggressions. The first step in preventing microaggressions is to engage in self reflection and education. Reflecting on our potential biases helps us realize how they might manifest as microaggressions. Biases are shaped by personal experiences, culture, and societal influences, and everyone has them. Acknowledging that we all have biases helps prevent them from influencing our interactions. Education helps you build external awareness. Employees should seek to educate themselves about other cultures, identities, and experiences. Companies offer formal diversity and inclusion training, and you can pursue more informal learning through books, documentaries, or speaking with others from different backgrounds. The goal is to broaden your understanding and empathy, which can help you recognize and prevent microaggressions. Encouraging open communication and feedback is essential for preventing microaggressions. Employees should feel comfortable discussing this topic and its impact. When microaggressions do happen, being able to freely and constructively discuss them can prevent them from happening again. This means being open to receiving feedback and willing to give constructive criticism. Be mindful of your language and behavior. Pay attention to the words you use and consider how they might be received by others. Check your language to make sure you're avoiding harmful stereotypes or assumptions. And be sensitive when you want to make a joke or comment. The same goes for nonverbal communication. Body language, tone of voice, and the environments we create all have the potential to convey microaggressions. Prevention starts with you. Stay aware of how you communicate with others. Organizations also have a responsibility for protecting their employees against microaggressions. Think about what policies and practices your company has on this topic. A company should have clear anti discrimination and anti harassment policies with detailed procedures for reporting and addressing incidents. It's also important for businesses to look at their practices and culture. This includes evaluating recruitment and promotion processes to ensure they are equitable, providing regular training on diversity and inclusion, and creating spaces where diverse voices are heard and valued. Prioritizing these values helps prevent microaggressions from becoming a workplace issue. If you find yourself dealing with microaggressions, there are resources available to you. Your HR department is typically the first point of contact for reporting and addressing these workplace issues. They can guide you through company policies, help you address incidents, and direct you to other resources that can help. Many organizations have diversity and inclusion programs. Your company may also have a designated officer for diversity and inclusion matters. This kind of program can give you access to training, support groups, and individual assistance in dealing with microaggressions. Employee assistance programs, or EAPs, can provide counseling and support services for employees. They're a valuable resource for people who need support dealing with microaggressions. And it's essential to build a support network within the workplace. Find allies or mentors that you trust. They can offer emotional support and practical advice on handling microaggressions. You've completed KnowledgeCity's course on mitigating microaggressions in the workplace. You learned best practices to recognize and identify microaggressions. You also learned how to address microaggressions in the workplace when you experience or witness them. You're now equipped to prevent and mitigate microaggressions.